Hi guys, welcome to this very short video about the T-Mobile Tuesday app and the current pizza deal which is ongoing instead of a really nice thing which we had like the free Whopper or so. Now they are coming out every week with some silly deals, and now it's for the second time it's this pizza deal, and the question is then, is it worth to do that? I mean, you can click on that, then you save, and then you can click on redeem. You have a couple of days left to do that. And this is what happens after that. You click and click, and then you are forced to open an account. It takes a couple of seconds. Then you are forwarded to this site here, entertainment.com, something with pizza deals. Find pizza deal near me, and you get already an impression what's around here. Then you click there, and this is what they have been presenting to me. There's especially Papa John's and a fun center and something I don't know, West Shore Pizza. Yeah, I clicked on the top one here, Papa John's, and this is what they were presenting to me. Enjoy a one-topping epic stuffed crust pizza for $12. So this didn't look very tempting to me, so I went on the webpage papajohns.com, independent from the app, and there was also this new epic stuffed crust one topping pizza. Yeah, when you click on the specials here, and then I tried to figure out what it is and how much it cost, and it's same $12 thing. I don't see any difference at all, so for me, total scam. Don't do that. Maybe there's $1 or $2 which you can save with other pizza things, but it looks like it's just a waste of money, waste of time, and yeah, just forget about these things. I think the T-Mobile Tuesday, yeah, they are pretty much done since they stopped this Whopper deal. Yeah, it's basically useless, and yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.